Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can share your profile photos on Telegram with only the people you choose. This is a brand new update on the PC version of the app, and it gives you better control over your privacy settings. Just follow along step by step, and you'll see how easy it is. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Once it's open, look towards the top left corner of the screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines, often called the menu button. Click on those 3 lines to bring up the main menu. From here, scroll down and click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, you'll need to look for and select Privacy and Security. This section is where you can manage who sees your information and how your account interacts with others. Now, find the option that says Profile Photos and click on it. By default, it may be set to Everyone or My Contacts, but for this setup, choose the Nobody option. This ensures that your profile photo will not be visible to anyone unless you specifically allow it. Next, look for the section that says Always Share With. This is where you can make exceptions. Click on Add Users, and a list of your contacts will appear. Browse through, select the people you want to give access to your profile photos, and once you're done, click on the Save button. After saving your selection, Telegram will ask you to confirm this step. Go ahead and confirm, and your settings will be applied immediately. Now, only the people you specifically added will be able to see your profile photos. Everyone else, even if they have your number, won't be able to view them. This update is a great way to take charge of your privacy and decide exactly who gets to see your personal information. In just a few clicks, you've set up stronger control over your Telegram account on PC. And that's it. You've successfully customized your profile photo sharing settings. Now you can stay connected while keeping your privacy exactly the way you want it.